Hi, my name is Allie Slinker. I'm here doing the phoneme segmentation and blending lesson for Module 4. This is a kindergarten lesson that I have used the Common Core State Standards of demonstrating understanding of spoken words, syllables, and sounds, the phonemes and words, and also know and apply grade level phonics and word analysis skills in decoding words. The objectives for this lesson will be that students will be able to segment spoken phonemes and one-syllable words, and students will be able to blend spoken phonemes to form one-syllable words. And the best opportunity for this lesson would be to be in small groups. Basically 3 to 5 students would be best. And the tools needed for this are I have used a laminated 3 phoneme word Alconin cards, dry erase markers, and the little square sticky notes. And now I will begin the lesson that I would do with the group of students. So today, class, we're going to continue our work on breaking apart the sounds that we hear in the words that we say. We are going to use a tool that I have here, and it's called an Alconin card, that we're going to use to demonstrate the different sounds in words. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to start with a picture. The first word we're going to do together is cup. So what I would do first is draw a picture of a cup. So here is my cup. Once I have my picture, I am going to place sticky notes under each sound square in the Alconin card. So I will place a sticky note under each one of these. And now, what is this a picture of? A cup. Very good. So what I'm going to do is there are 3 boxes under this. So as I say each sound in the word cup, I'm going to move a sticky note up into the sound box as I say that sound. So listen carefully as I do this, as I say the word slowly. See how I pointed at each sound square after I moved the sticky notes. And now I can say up, cup, and put the word together. So now I'm going to count how many sound squares there are. 1, 2, 3. I counted 3 sound squares. So how many sounds are there in the word cup? 3. Very good. There are 3 sounds in the word cup. So that means there are 3 phonemes, 3 different sounds to make the word cup. Very good. And to continue this lesson as another model, we're going to erase this picture. And now we are going to do the word. Let's see if you guys can guess what this is. What is this a picture of? Feet. Very good. So as I do this, I'm going to move the sticky notes again as I say those sounds. So I will go E, T, E, T, feet. So how many sound squares are there? 3. Very good. So how many sounds are there in the word feet? 3. Very good. I think you guys are getting the great hang of this. We are going to be ready to start this together. So I'm going to erase that picture again. I will hand out the Alconin cards to all of you, along with the dry erase marker and some sticky notes for each of you. And as I were doing this, I would be sure to make sure that each student had the 3 sticky notes and Now we are going to make sure that our sticky notes go below the sound square. Each sticky note will go below a sound square. Very good. It looks like everyone has those placed correctly. And now we are going to do this one together. What number do I have here? 10. Very good. So I want all of you to write the number 10. Show me the number 10, a 1 and a 0 at the top of your card in the picture. Okay, and now that we have our sticky notes placed below our phoneme squares, our sound squares, we are going to do this one together. So as we say the first phoneme sound, we will move the sticky note into the first sound square. So the first phoneme sound is T. You are very close. Let's say it again. I am pretending that the student said instead of, let's look at how we place our mouth when I say T. My tongue is inside of my teeth. T. Very good. Can you repeat that one with me? T. And now everyone together. T. Eh. N. Very good. T. Eh. N. So now as you guys, I want you to point at each sound square and say each sound. T. Eh. N. And now we'll run our finger along the bottom and say 10. Very good. Everyone is doing a great job. And we could continue this lesson with the group of students with many different words, other 3 phoneme words we could use. Different ones such as hat, cup, kite, bed, mop, different ones, and then having them draw the picture and then doing the phoneme squares with the sticky notes. And my ideas with special education were to use an Elkonin card with 2 phonemes, so 2 phoneme words to do with special education kids with words such as at, it, as, to. They wouldn't necessarily be able to draw the picture, but you could even write the word to help them visually see that word as they are saying those phoneme sounds for the special education was my idea there. And for the gifted and talented was to do the 4 phoneme sound words, the 4 phoneme words, such as bench, bend, just, camp, wind, help, different words like that, and making sure that they draw a simple picture or even have a picture already up there that they could then say what that person is doing or what is happening in that picture and then use that word instead of having them draw and taking too much time there. And then they would need the 4 sticky notes to do the 4 phoneme words. And with English language learners, the idea is to use 3 phoneme Spanish words such as sol for sun, pan for bread, or pez for fish, so that they are able to make that relation into their home language and understand the lesson of the phonemes and be able to separate them. So that is my phoneme segmentation lesson.